Hi everybody, I'm Clint Antrim with Schmidt Honda, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to change a tire. Lots of people are going on vacation right now, and of course traveling down the road, you never know what could happen. And so today I'm going to show you how to change a tire in your Honda utilizing the equipment that is in the car. Alright, the easiest way to go about this is to get out your owner's manual and flip to page 2, and you will see that there is a Honda roadside assistance number. Every new Honda comes with 3 years and 36,000 miles of roadside assistance. However, if you're in a hurry or you don't have time to wait for roadside assistance to come and help you, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do this yourself. Alright, you'll also notice in your owner's manual, at least on the Civic, around page 121 or 122, it will give you a step-by-step. But as for me, sometimes a visual is a lot more helpful. So the first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, pop your trunk. This is where your spare tire is going to be located. And you'll notice underneath the carpet in the trunk is your spare tire and all the tools that you're going to need. So we're going to go ahead and get this out now. We'll be right back. Okay, now that we've got the equipment out, we've got our spare tire here. And you'll notice this cone shape that's on the front. And of course on the back it's indented. So this is going to go on this way. So we've got to be sure that we put it on that way. Now, on LX models, you do have a hubcap. So if you've got anything above an LS, you're going to have an aluminum wheel, so you won't have to worry about this step. But you just kind of grab around here and pry this off. Get it right off, pops off very easy. And you're going to see your lugs here. These, of course, you want to leave the car on the ground for this portion because you got to get some real force on this, so you want to break these lugs loose, so you want to leave it on the ground. And then over here in your tools, you're going to find a lug wrench, which is specifically designed for your lug nuts. And we're going to go ahead and put that on here. Now you'll notice it is kind of short, so if you've got any way to put a longer tube on here or a breaker bar, it'll certainly save your back a little bit because a short one doesn't give you very much leverage. So we're going to go ahead and try this. Okay, we got that one broke free. Okay, now we've got them all broke free. Next thing we're going to do is get our jack out. And on every car there are jack points. So we're going to work with our rear tire. So if you can come over here and look, you'll see under here there's an actual metal part, because this here is all plastic. You want to put your jack there. You want to get it under here on the metal. So we're going to go ahead and get our jack under there. I'm going to get this wound up and we'll be right back. Alright, so once you get your jack under there, you can use this hook that comes with your car. Stick it through there like that, and you'll notice that there is a piece in your tire iron that you can just slide over the top of that, and it makes it a lot easier to turn, a lot faster. So just make sure you get your car up off the ground, or tire anyway. Yeah, okay. Tire is free spinning now, and I've actually got these lugs broke free enough to where I can just wind them off by hand. Some of them. Then you simply get your flat off of the car. And then you will take your spare. And then, of course, you got to line up your lugs, but you're going to have to pick it up just a little bit to get it to fit on just right. And sometimes that can take a few times, but there you go. Get your lugs started on there. Another thing I want to tell you about the lugs is you'll notice that they have a cone shape. That's the side that's going to go into the wheel. Is kind of important. You're going to want to tighten these in a star type pattern. You don't want to just work your way around. So say get the top one just a little bit snug, go down to your bottom, just make sure it's snug, and then just go crossways around there. You just want to snug them up from this point. Now that they're snug, you want to go ahead and lower your car back down. So you just turn counterclockwise and lower it to the ground. And now that your car is on the ground, this is where we're going to snug up these lugs. And again, this cross style pattern is the best way to do this. So start at the top, get them snugged up, and then just go to the somewhere along the bottom. And this just ensures your wheel will be on straight. You won't be driving along with it cattywampus, anything like that. And then you can just go around just to make sure that they are all snug. Remove your tools, put them back in the vehicle along with your flat tire, and make your way to the gas station or wherever it is you can go to get a replacement tire, because these are just temporary spares. But it does simply give you a way to keep going instead of having to stop and wait for assistance. Thank you for watching today. If you found this tip helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or find us right at Schmidt Honda on Facebook. Thank you.